Welcome to the Cyber Defense Learning Studios. I'm your host, Leo. If you're looking at the AZ900 and wondering why we're all moving our digital lives into the cloud, you're in the right place. Joining me today is cloud architect extraordinaire, Alice.
Great to be here, Leo. It's an exciting time to be in the Azure ecosystem.
And joining us via headset from his data center floor, we have Bob. Bob, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Just finishing a cable run. Why are we doing this again? My servers are running just fine right where I can see them.
That's the million-dollar question, Bob. Alice, for someone starting their AZ900 journey, what is the cloud really?
It's simpler than people think. It's the on-demand delivery of computing services, servers, storage, databases over the internet. The aha moment for most people is that you stop treating IT like a product you buy and start treating it like a utility you use.
Like electricity?
Exactly. You don't build a power plant to charge your phone. You plug it into the wall and pay for what you use. That's the core of cloud computing.
But Alice, I spent 10 years learning how to rack and stack. Are you saying those skills are dead?
Not dead, Bob, just evolved. We've moved through 3 eras. The on-prem era, where you owned the iron. If you needed more power, you waited weeks for shipping. You rented the space and you managed the hardware. That was the hosted era. Azure era, where physical hardware is abstracted away. We're changing everything.
So instead of waiting weeks for a server in a crate, I just click a button and it's there in seconds?
That's right. You can deploy a virtual machine in about 2 minutes with a few clicks in the Azure portal.
Okay, but if I'm an Azure student, I keep hearing these ability words. High availability, scalability, elasticity. Break those down for us.
Think of high availability as your no-fail insurance. Azure ensures your services are up and running even if a hardware component fails.
And scalability?
That's the power to grow. If your app becomes a viral hit overnight, you can scale vertically or horizontally.
Back in my day, we called that adding more RAM and praying.
Right.
Exactly. But in the cloud, we have elasticity.
Yes, cloud.
When the traffic spike ends, the cloud shrinks back down automatically so you aren't paying for empty servers.
So, no more hardware headaches, instant setup, and it grows with you. Seems like a no-brainer for the AZ900.
It's about moving from keeping the lights on to actually innovating.
Well said. Bob, try not to trip over those cables. Next time, Alice is going to explain why the cloud is like a pizza shop.
Yes.
Now you're talking my language.
See you in Module 1, Part 2.
See you next time.